Number 8 asks us to find and classify the relative extrema of that polynomial. It says that we only have to state x values, which is good. Extrema always occur when the first derivative is 0 or undefined. So let's find the first derivative. Set it equal to 0. To solve this, I'm going to factor a 2 out first. We need to factor this side. We can do that by multiplying a times c. 6 times negative 15 is negative 90. Numbers that multiply to 90 and add up to 27. 30 times 3 gives me 90, and 30 minus 3 gives me positive 27. Positive times negative does give me negative 90. So we should be able to factor here. We've got 6x squared plus 30x minus 3x minus 15. I'm going to take a 6x out of both of those and a minus 3 out of both of those. This worked out, but I guess I could have taken a 6 out right from the start. That would have made everything easier. So I've got 6x minus 3 and x plus 5. Set each factor equal to 0. And I get x equals add 3 divided by 6, 1/2, or x equals negative 5. You can use either the first or the second derivative test. I'm going to use the first derivative test here. So I am checking the first derivative on intervals around my critical numbers. If I plug in negative 6 and I'm plugging into the derivative, could plug it in here. I don't want to do that multiplication though. I'm going to plug it in down here into the factored form. So 2 is positive. Negative 36 minus 3 is negative, and negative 6 plus 5 is negative. Negative times negative is positive times positive. If I plug in 0, 0 is easy enough to plug in up here. 0 plus 0 minus 30 is negative. And 1, you can plug in either place. I'm going to plug in 1 up here. 12 plus 54 minus 30 is a positive number. So the first derivative changed sign from positive to negative at negative 5. That makes it a maximum. The first derivative changed from negative to positive at 1/2. That tells us we have a minimum value at 1/2. It does ask only for x values.